Why does your scanner show the P0001 engine code? And what does it mean? Diagnostic trouble code P0001 stands for Fuel Volume Regulator, a control circuit open. The P0001 engine error code indicates an issue with the circuit that runs from the engine computer, ECM, to the fuel pressure regulator. This could mean that there is an open circuit in the electronic fuel volume regulator or its wiring system. What causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel volume regulator, open shorted circuit wiring, poor electrical connection, faulty ECM, clogged fuel lines, faulty fuel pump, contaminated fuel, failed fuel pressure sensor, defective fuel rail pressure sensor, incorrect FVR installation. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. It can occur in various vehicle models, especially those with advanced fuel systems. While it is not limited to specific brands, it is most commonly found in BMW, Dodge, GMC, Chevrolet, Ford, Ram, Nissan, Mercedes-Benz, Volkswagen, and Toyota vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.